Welcome everyone! Dito yan sa aming Carnation Unit sa Richdale West Residences. Ito pong unit namin ay single attached na available through Pag-ibig Financing. As you can see, this is a very spacious unit. Ayan po ang ating receiving area and of course our kitchen area. So, pwede nyo pong ipatibag yung ating lababo para ilagay sa likuran kung gusto nyo pong mag-extend. Dahil very spacious naman ang ating unit, we have 2 meters on the back side. And of course, 2 meters on the other side and another space on front. So, meron tayong CR sa baba. We also have toilet and bath at the second floor. So, this unit is provision for 3 bedrooms. So, ito pong quality ng house natin is gawa po sa conventional hollow blocks. So, napakatibay po at napapansin nyo po na medyo makakapal ang ating mga beams. So, ayan po ang ating second floor. This is our actual turnover para po dun sa mga gustong kumuha. Ito po yung actual turnover namin sa inyo. So, as you can see, tiled na po yung ating mga CR and kailangan nyo na lang po siyang ipa-paint and ipa-interior po. So, napaka-affordable naman ng ating price dahil 18,000 monthly lang po ito and 21,000 through Pag-ibig Financing. So, napaka-spacious naman po ng ating house at napaka-affordable. So, kaya naman po dun sa mga gusto mag-check, magpa-tripping, mag-message lang po kayo sa aming mga Facebook account and of course our contact details on the caption. So ayan po, thank you everyone and God bless.